So, a recent report from the Korean website Financial News, relayed through one of the most trusted tipster, Revegnis on X, formerly known as Twitter, indicates that Google's Pixel 9 could undergo a significant performance boost with the introduction of a new chip. According to the report, the Pixel 9's Tensor G4 chip is expected to be manufactured by Samsung Electronics Foundry, continuing the legacy of previous Tensor chips. However, the notable departure this time is that the Tensor G4 will utilize the same 4nm process as the Exynos 2400, featured in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models outside the US. This purported enhancement is largely credited to the adoption of FOWLP, also known as fan-out wafer-level packaging, aimed at bolstering heat management, thereby augmenting the chip's overall performance and efficiency. Such advancements could be precisely what Google requires for its forthcoming flagship phone, in comparison to rival devices such as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, OnePlus 12, or iPhone 15 series. The existing Tensor G3 chip in the Pixel 8 series lags in terms of performance. Hence, a performance boost would be beneficial for the upcoming Pixel iteration. While an Exynos-powered S24 has not yet undergone testing, the prevailing consensus among reviewers and users suggests that the performance gap between Exynos and Snapdragon versions of Samsung Galaxy S phones is relatively narrow this year. This sets a promising precedent for the Tensor G4's performance against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in most competing Android phones. Furthermore, Financial News indicates that the subsequent Exynos chip could potentially employ a 3nm process, currently the smallest available for mobile silicon, exclusively found in the iPhone 15 Pro series devices, the Apple A17 Pro chipset. This development alludes to the prospect of future Galaxy S phones, as well as the ensuing Tensor chip in what is speculated to be the Pixel 10, making even more substantial advancements. As per Google's established release cadence, the Google Pixel 9 series is slated for launch in October this year. However, there is a likelihood of the Pixel 8a being introduced earlier this summer, alongside the potential unveiling of a Pixel Fold 2 at some point during the year. Considering the increasing competition in the smartphone market and the ever-growing demand for performance, Google's investment in advanced chip technology could be a strategic move to maintain its position as a frontrunner in the industry. By integrating cutting-edge components into its flagship devices, Google aims to offer users a seamless and powerful experience, setting new standards for mobile performance and innovation. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.